night. Stand here a while, take a little time. Since you went away, it came to a halt. Silence is everywhere, and you're not. And now I'm running like there's no tomorrow. My life was on a one-way track. This ain't a story about happy endings. Oh, I could set this world on fire. I could tear this town apart. I tried, but I could never be a part of you and your beautiful life. With a painted smile, I was the willow tree. You were the fire that burned me. Right till the end, we didn't know we lost. It's not easy living with my fingers crossed. You ran away from all the madness. You stumbled till you found your pace. I know now you were better off without me. I should set this world on fire. I should tear this town.
Into Castello di Broglio. And wow, this place is amazing. It's beautiful. It's a very well preserved castle. The views are incredible. And this one is like in the woods, so it feels pretty medieval. And so imagine like you're in the castle, right? And you got people attacking you. So you gotta prepare, you gotta come to the wall, and you gotta start. They're down there. Oh my god. What? Yeah, this place is amazing, beautiful. Wow. Look at the views, look at the gardens downstairs. Yeah. Whew. Oh my god. Yeah.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday for you.
Birthday castle, yes. Birthday castle for me. Even though it's Uli's trip for her 40th birthday, today is my birthday, so we're celebrating it in Di Broglio Castle. What? Wow, like that.
We should tear this town apart. Every breath makes me weak and tired. We should never be more than friends. I tried, but I could never be a part of you. Hey, you beautiful life. You beautiful life.
500 meters, turn right onto Via Fontanetto.
Welcome to Siena.
I'm not heading for the stars, driving down the boulevard at night.
This is the bed and breakfast in Siena, UNESCO site. Beautiful place, keeping the classic architecture because they cannot modify or change or construct new things. They gotta refurbish whatever was in here before. And she was telling us that the painting, they're specific to each room, and this one is Alastor, which is Zeus' horse, and it's going from chaos to the light.
Now my wheels in motion and my windows open with the wind blowing in my hair. I'm driving down the highway, gonna do this my way. I can feel it in the air. Here I go. feel I need to take a ride. I don't know when I'll get back. Keep on going and relax tonight. Now my wheels in motion and my windows open with the wind blowing in my hair. I'm driving down the highway, gonna do this my way. I can feel it in the air. Here I go.
We are in Monteriggioni. The sun just came out because it's been really dark today. It was raining while we were leaving Siena, and this is like a small castle, so we're trying to chase the light, the sun, because it's very cloudy all over Tuscany. We are on our way to San Gimignano, and then we're gonna go to Florence where we spend the night.
I'm not heading for the stars, driving down this boulevard tonight. Yeah, playing Coldplay on repeat, watching people on the street as I go by. Now my wheels in motion and my windows open with the wind blowing in my hair. I'm driving down the highway, gonna do this my way. I can feel it in the air. Here I go.
Hi. Buonasera. Do you have an apple spray? Since in Italy, you know, you need to ask for an apple spray.
I know you know what I'm about to tell you. I've just realized that you can't let go. It's something about me and you. So let me stay here a little while, at least until I calm down. Please don't say it's all about me. It's something about us, something that I can try. Please don't say it's all about you. That is all too late, 'cause I don't mind waiting for you. No, I don't mind waiting for you.
This is it. Beautiful Palazzo Vecchio. Neptune Fountain over there. What are you having?
Affogato. It's like espresso with gelato. I'm so happy right now.
Yeah, it looks delicious.
Mamma mia, delicioso. Wow, yummy.
¿Cómo fue? Mamma mía, delicioso.
Mamma mia, delicioso.
Me and you. So let me stay here a little while, at least until I calm down. Please don't say it's all.
Yeah, somebody's having a blast looking at all the delicious fruits and vegetables on the fresh market here in Florence.